Today, we are going to learn how to use the GST port. Further, you can go to any of the browsers and type www.gst.gov.in. This is an online portal created by the government for the taxpayers and the tax authorities for availing services related to GST online. Further, this is the home page of the website, and over here you can see the news and the updates and popular help topics. Then you can go to the service tab, and over here you can see various services, under which first is registration. If you are someone who is coming for the first time, visiting this website for the first time, you want to register, this is the option, or else you can log in directly. After clicking on this option, you have to fill certain information which is presented in the form, and then wait for the OTP. And then again, the second service over here is track your application status. Here you can enter the ARN or SRN as per your need and check your application status. Next, application for filling clarification. Over here again, you have to type out all your information, general information asked over here, and wait for the OTP generation. Then the second service, which is payments, and under payments there is one service which is create challan. So over here you have to enter your GSTIN and other ID and proceed to create challan. The second one is grievance against payment. Here you have to again fill out a long list of information, and documents also have to be uploaded, and then you can submit it and proceed with the procedure ahead. And then the third one, which comes under payments, is track payment status. Over here again you have to enter the GSTIN or the ID and enter the CPIN and track the status. The next service, which is the user services, the first one under this is the holiday list. In the holiday list, there is a filter available where you can put the year and then type the holiday type, and then here you can select any state, such as we can select Gujarat over here and click the search option. You can see different holidays in different months in the form of list. If you're comfortable with the calendar form, you can even view over here in that form. And then next will be in the user services is locate GST practitioners. Here you have two options where you can find them through enrollment number or the GSTP ID or the name or area, and search further. The next service is generate user ID for unregistered, and the next service is cost list. Over here you have to again fill a form and proceed the further process. Then refunds. Here you can track the application status. You have to enter the ARN again over here to search for the application status of the refunds. Then one more service is the e-way bill station. So that's it for the services part. Then the GST laws. So, acts, rules, and amendments, notifications, etc., related to GST law issued by the central a- and or the state government may be accessed from the website of center and the state respectively through the links provided below. So these are the links of different states and the central government, uh, on which you can click on directly and see the rules and acts related to GST of each government or state. Then there is an option of downloads. So there are lists of online offline tools which you can use to avail your services, and you can click on any of the tools you want to know about. Then the GST statistics. You, according to the year, financial year, registration, return, and tax collection, there are different GST statistics of each year, and you can download any of which is needed by you. And then next comes the search taxpayer option. Here you can search by the GSTIN or UIN PIN, then search by the PAN card, and then search the composition taxpayer. Help and the taxpayers facilities. GST, this page will particularly help you. There are help items and the taxpayer services. The taxpayer services are free accounting and billing services, GST Suvidha providers, side map. Help items will be GST knowledge portal, grievance redressal portal, advisories, system requirements, GST media, GST portal, common errors and suggested solutions, grievance nodals officer. So yeah, that's it about this website. The additional services or to make your uh, user experience better, you can click on these options over here, which will like increase the font size or decrease the font size. It can be done according to you. Thank you.